Here's what's happening halfway through the trading day. The Nikkei in Japan gapped up 3.8% Wednesday, a day after the Bank of Japan Governor Masaki Shirakawa told reporters in Tokyo that he'd step down on March 19th, which would likely pave the way for Prime Minister Shinzo Abe to implement a much greater quantitative easing policy. This obviously has been something he's pushed for in recent months, and, well, we saw the uptick in Japan. Ryan Dietrich, the senior technical strategist at Schaefer's Investment Research, told me about this, quote, "With no major economic data and a mixed bag on the earnings front, the big news today is the action out of Japan. The Nikkei has been on a tear, but today's strength is truly eye-opening. If you believe the stock market leads the economy by 6 months, this bodes very well for one of the world's largest economies." Now, we also saw that the Royal Bank of Scotland came out, according to a Reuters report, saying that it expected to pay some £400 million, which is the equivalent of about $627 million, for a role that it played in the LIBOR interest rate rigging scandal. According to these sources, they said despite this announcement, shares were going to be gaining at about 1% on Wednesday. And finally, Disney shares were popping about 1% as well, a day after the company known for Mickey Mouse announced that its first quarter fiscal earnings profit dropped slightly, but beat expectations. The company earned about 77 cents a share on revenue of $11.3 billion. That's what's happening midday on February the 6th. I'm Joe Doe at The Street.